He's just running late. He's always late. But what on earth is keeping him?
Mr. Groom, the wedding is starting. Are you ready? You're not even dressed! Make yourself presentable. She's waiting for you. I didn't think he was ever going to show up. He must really be nervous.
Why?
He's sweating through his suit.
Don't listen to them, honey. They're just fidgety from waiting. You're doing great.
She's marrying him. Doesn't he seem a little...
Oh.
I heard his bachelor party was crazy.
Yeah, I didn't expect him.
I knew you wouldn't get cold feet. Honey, where's the best man? Guess you'll have to get the ring yourself. Do you need any help over there? You look so handsome. Ow! Ow! Hey, look! Dad's up!
Morning, Daddy! Dad, where do rainbows come from? Oh, where do flowers come from? Neat!
Where do babies come from? You expect me to believe that? Oh, you're finally up. Nice to see you, sleepyhead. In a way, it's good the basement flooded. You've spent so much more time with us lately. Honey, did you read my latest article? I got an interview with the mayor, and I tore him apart. Verbally, I mean. I sent a picture to the Inquisitor magazine, and they put it on the cover. You should pick one up, dear. Well, I can't be caught reading it. While you're waiting on your coffee, could you bring Stacy some milk?
Soon I'll be 100 feet tall.
You know Sherry from the book club? I caught her the other day eating a whole wedding cake. And nobody was getting married. You ought to get some more sushi at the store soon. You go through it like Tommy goes through tennis shoes. Have you seen my Salty Hearts novel anywhere? Oh, hush you.
Dad, are we gonna build a tree castle this summer?
You mean a tree house?
No. Wizard princesses live in castles. Thanks for the milk, Dad. Soon my bones will be made of steel.
Your coffee is ready, sweetie. I'm working on a little side project, dear. I'm going to expose corruption in the fishing industry. And I know just the ship. I made your coffee just the way you like it. sea salt and tartar sauce. Now that you're energized, I need you to take care of some chores in the backyard while I get some work done. There's grass to mow, weeds to pull, wood to chop, and don't forget to make burgers for lunch.
Mom, Dad said we could get a horse for the backyard. It'll eat the grass and be our new super cool furry lawnmower.
Yeah, we need a battle horse to protect the family. Dad said we could add. Are hamburgers really made out of ham? Oh, what if they were made from ponies?
Well, that cloud looks like a butterfly.
That one looks like a dragon smashing the town.
Oh, can the town have a wizard princess in it? Lady Stacy defends the town.
Sure, but only if the dragon can be named Tom Lord the Coolest.
3 bankruptcies since opening in 1960. 2 directors in the last year. Yikes. My camera's getting a bit old, honey. Any chance you know where to find an M1 modified for motor drives? Sphere McLaren, largest in the world? We'll just see about that.
Thanks, Dad. These look delicious.
I bet they taste like magic. Dad, you have to blow on the weeds and make a wish. Sometimes I wish I could be purple.
Only Wells and genies grant wishes, Stacy. Everyone knows that.
I heard if one of those seeds gets in your ear, it'll make a weed grow out of the top of your head.
That can't be true.
The ladybugs are really getting out of hand this season. I should pick up some insecticide before they eat all my flowers. No! Oh, my flowers!
Ow, Dad! Tommy is feeding ants!
When there's a toxic spill and these guys get giant, you'll thank me.
Oh, it's such a beautiful day today. The sun is shining, the birds are singing.
The worms are wiggling.
Yes, even worms are happy to be outside today.
I think some of my army men are still buried there. rest their souls. Of course I had to. Do you want their bodies lying all over the house? Well, I would mow the lawn, but I hurt my knee at basketball practice, my elbow at baseball, and my foot at... Dad, you should have seen this spiral I threw the other day. It went like 50 feet, or like 100. I don't want to brag. Hey, Dad, the way you're mowing the lawn reminds me of this one episode of Sports Johnson, where he goes back in time and meets his son, Sports Johnson Jr., or SJJ, and he and his son have to train to win the future soccer match between Earth and Pluto, and they do. And Dad, are we ever gonna play soccer together?
Trees, do they feel pain?
Geez, Stacy, some things like trees and animals don't feel pain.
I hope there weren't any eggs in there.
I've got you now! I will now! You become second norm!
Honey, what's going on over there? Anyway, I have a surprise for the whole family. A free trip to the aquarium! I know you think aquariums are festering prisons of iniquity, but I've got to write an article for the paper. Can't you make an exception this time? For me? Oh, groceries. We need to go to the grocery store. We need things like cereal for the kids. Right, kids?
Well, we already have cereal.
We need so much cereal.
Then it's settled. We're all going to the grocery store.
I want Sports Johnson cereal and pizza and soda and chocolate milk.
And I want an apple.
Germison's has revolutionized the modern shopping experience.
Everything here is automated and handled remotely.
No! I need my kids need their sugary cereal fix!
Our freezer section is all frozen up. We're working on getting it fixed, but we're sure at least one freezer door is working.
Why are all these freezers frozen?
Destroy! Destroy! Hear that? Abazor action figures are back in stock by popular demand.
I would get the new Abazor for my son, but I hear they promote robot violence.
Picking up soda for the big game? Maybe for a big party? Only Gervison's has a Soda City big enough to handle all your biggest events. Our deli offers a variety of creatures that can be fried, barbecued, roasted, and toasted. Stop on by.